What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wasium, back with another reaction video, man. I'm back with another reaction video. That's what I'm saying. The reaction videos are coming back. I took a break from them, but they're coming back. As y'all see, I've been consistent since January. We've already gone viral, so we're just gonna keep working. We're just gonna keep working, y'all. We're just gonna keep working. So, as you see, we're reacting to "Can't Hold Me Down" by Lil Yachty, Lil Wayne, Richh, and Pharrell Williams. This is a crazy collab. I would never expect any of these artists to work together. So let's check out this music video. I've been seeing it all over TikTok, so I'm like, I might as well react to it, man. I don't know what it is. It's been trending. But like I said, this is a crazy combo. Like, I would never expect any of these artists to collab. So let's listen to the song. Let's see what the hype is about. This though, I'm low key messing with it. Hold on. I don't have my speaker, like my monitor is ass. I'm gonna put on the headset. I'm gonna listen to this for real. Hold on. All right, yeah. Let's go back.
Hell no!
Oh yeah. Okay. Let me make sure my stuff's recorded real quick, y'all. My OBS has been tweaking lately. My OBS has been okay. We're good. My OBS has been tweaking. On the beat, bruh. 10 out of 10. Richh is probably a 10 out of 10. Lil Yachty's on now. I don't know how this is gonna go with Lil Wayne. I feel like Lil Wayne's gonna mess it up. But let's listen to Lil Yachty's on right now. Let's see how this goes. Let's see the flow. Lil Yachty's cooking, bro. Lil Yachty's cooking, bro. Just think about Lil Yachty. He can be on any beat and still make a banger, bro. Can't let down. Hold on. Why does Loki sound like a video game type of like song, like a kid's like movie or like a video game type song, but like it's tough though. I take her on dates, I'ma keep her.
It's sweeter. They say life's a bitch, I'm just waiting to meet it. I take her on dates, I'ma keep her. I take her on dates, I'ma love her. I'ma treat her like
Nah, real talk though, I am a lover, indeed.
she is my own. I'ma treat her like there's no other. Hold me, can't let
Oh my god, yo, y'all hear the like change in like the elevation and the pitch though? But it's hitting though. It's hitting. I'm fucking with this song, bro. Right now, this song is a 10 out of 10, bro. Can't Hold Me Down is a 10 out of 10 right now, bro. It's actually cooking. Lil Wayne is cooking, bro. I didn't expect him to cook with this beat.
Red eyes running on fumes.
It's like the old Lil Wayne too. Like you sound like the OG Lil Wayne.
Gray skies finna fall soon. Third eye got his own views. Small world, but my dog's huge.
I'm messing with the animation, or that's something different. I've seen this guy on TikTok before, but like for the music video though, this is tough though. This is interesting.
Food for
And Lil Wayne did his part though. Man, now it's up for Pharrell. Let's hear this. Let's hear this. Are these supposed to be zombies in the back? I'm confused on that. Like they damn near looking like robots or zombies.
They know I'm ready for whatever.
Where's Pharrell at? When was Pharrell Williams in the song? Did Pharrell Williams make the beat? Cause I didn't hear him in the song. I'm assuming he made the beat. Cause I'm assuming Pharrell Williams made the beat. Yeah. He definitely made the beat. Cause he's not here. Yeah, he made the beat.
I'm in no bed, gon' think I'm a nut. All the shit that you started cannot be undone. Like I'm a king, but do not call me Chud.
I ain't gonna lie, this is a 10 out of 10. This song's a vibe. It's something different though. It's something different. It's not like it's something different. Like I could vibe to this. Like I could play this around my little siblings side beat and still like, you feel me, vibe to this, bro. And I don't even know like, was he can't tell if they cursed or not, bro. I actually can't tell. Like I'm thinking about it. I'm like, I don't know. Like, is this song clean? I don't know, man. I'm messing with this song 100%, man. Oh yeah, see, soundtrack from Doolesville and the Doodleverse. So I don't know what that is, but this right here is tough. This right here is tough, man. 10 out of 10. If you're watching this right now, hit that like button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. And we out.